Hello and welcome. Let's start learning English together. Introducing yourself. Do you want to introduce yourself in English, but you feel it's difficult? In this lesson, you will do it in 1 minute. No grammar. No stress. Just easy English. First, we say your name. You can say, "My name is Mohammed," or "I'm Mohammed." My name is means your full name. And I'm is short and more common. Both are correct. Next, we say where we are from. You can say, "I'm from Algeria," or "I'm from Manaba." I'm from means your country or your city where you live in. You can choose only one. Now, we talk about what we do. You can say, "I'm a student," or "I'm a teacher." I'm a student means you study. But I'm a teacher means you teach. You can also say what you like. For example, I like football. I like music. I like learning English. So I like means something you enjoy. And now we do full introduction. It is very important. Let's go. Hello, my name is Mohammed. I'm from Algeria. I'm a student. And I like learning English. Nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and introduce yourself. In the comments, write your name, your country, and what you do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.